Imagine waking up every morning with back pain, convinced you need a $2,000 mattress, then you discover a $149 mattress topper claiming it can completely transform the bed you already own. That's exactly what Hanare promises. According to the official website, it's inspired by a 400-year-old Japanese sleep tradition. Instead of memory foam, it features a bamboo viscose cover that's designed to stay cooler, absorb moisture faster, relieve pressure points, and fit almost any mattress. They even claim it recovers its shape in just 2 seconds and can make an old mattress feel like a luxury hotel bed. The website is packed with customer stories from people who said they stopped waking up with pain, slept cooler through the night, and even canceled plans to buy expensive new mattresses. But here's the reality. Almost all of those testimonials come directly from Hanare's own website, so they're marketing claims. Looking at independent reviews tells a more balanced story. On Trustpilot, customers praise the comfort and softness, while others mention slower shipping and give average ratings. So, is Hanare a scam? Right now, there's no solid evidence proving it's a scam, but there's also not enough independent customer feedback to verify every claim. If you're considering it, take advantage of the company's trial and refund policy, read independent reviews first, and don't rely only on the testimonials on the product page. Sometimes the biggest upgrade isn't a brand new mattress, it's simply knowing what claims are backed by evidence. Follow for more honest reviews before you spend your money.